each aircraft symbolic of the guardianship that keeps our skies sovereign and secure. And time now for a single Rafale flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour, all set to touch the sky with glory as it executes the vertical maneuver over Kartavya Paths. The aircraft is being flown by Group Captain Amit Gehani along with Flight Lieutenant Utkarsh Sharma of 17th Squadron, known as the Golden Arrows. Their motto, Udayam Ajastram, meaning ever rising skywards.
विजय फॉर्मेशन कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से एक रफेल 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से वायु विचरण करता हुआ उड़ान भर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन अमित गेहानी। जोधपुर से उड़ान भरी है।
Aircraft doing series of rolls, going up, and finally would disappear into the blue yonder, signifying the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabha Sprisham Deeptam. Vijay stands as a salute to the spirit of India, resolute and rising.
उपस्थित जनसमूह आह्लादित है, उल्लसित है, रोमांचित है वायु योद्धाओं के इस वायु विचरण को देखकर, जिन्होंने भारतीय वायुसेना की गौरवशाली परंपरा की नई मिसाल कायम की है। नभः स्पृशम दीप्तम को चरितार्थ करते हुए कर्तव्य पथ देश प्रेम के रंगों से ओतप्रोत होता हुआ।
Now you see me, now you don't. You blink and you miss. What a wonderful flypast. Historically, flypasts have a special affinity with parades and form their aerial component. And the flypasts here at the Republic Day Parade have a way of imprinting themselves on the audience's memory. A form of aerial salute. They show respect, display aircraft and showcase flying skills as a form of entertainment to delight the public. And everything is what we saw. So the spectacle of India's 77th Republic Day celebrations in New Delhi comes to a closure by the grand finale of the Indian Air Force. And ceremonial conclusions on days like today never have an air of finality about them. National celebrations always leave us suffused with feelings of pride, camaraderie and oneness. The past anchoring us and giving us stability. The present giving us the energy to move on. And the future giving us hope. We're now awaiting the arrival of the President's bodyguard. And we can see them here coming from the direction of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Lovely sunny morning. A light winter breeze definitely lifting the flags, but the spirits too.
भव्य गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह, और ये इतना शानदार कैसे बनता है, तो एक बात तो बिल्कुल समझ में आती है कि जब हम और आप मौसम का हवाला देकर घर से बाहर जाने में भी आनाकानी करते हैं, तब भी हमारे सैनिक बारिश, कड़ाके की सर्दी और कोहरे की परवाह किए बिना लगातार अभ्यास यानी प्रैक्टिस करते रहते हैं।